Bluetooth headphones. No audio. If you can't hear any sound from your Bluetooth headphones, first check to make sure the volume is up by pressing the volume up button a few times on your phone or tablet. If that doesn't help, then try repairing the headphones with your phone or tablet. For Apple phones or tablets, click on Settings, then Bluetooth. Click on the blue eye next to the name of your headphones, and then choose Forget this device. For Android phones and tablets, the menus can be a little different depending on your phone. Choose Settings, then Bluetooth, or on some phones, choose Settings, then Connected Devices, then Bluetooth. Choose your headphones, then select Unpair or Forget. If you are not sure which name in the list is your headphones, you may want to forget or unpair all of the items. Next, repair your headphones to your phone or tablet. While your headphones are off, press and hold the power button until the headphones turn on and the power light starts flashing. This usually takes about 4 seconds. Now, go back into the Bluetooth settings menu on your phone or tablet. For Apple, scroll to the bottom of the list and you will see the name of your headphones. Click on it to pair. For Android, choose Pair New Device. Then click on the name of your headphones to pair. If you are prompted for a passcode to pair your headphones, enter 0000. You should now see your headphones listed in the Bluetooth menu with a status of connected or paired. You've now successfully paired your Bluetooth headphones.